Hi everybody, this is Lee Locklear, President and CEO of Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions. We're really excited to release Quick Service Unit by TEXA.
The quick service tool provides a little bit better value for the customer who may not need all the features of the full service tool and still actively can do the repairs and maintenance necessary that they need.
Quick Service was designed as a midline price point tool at $38.95, still giving the shop the ability to do forced regens, maintenance resets, and all of your bi-directional controls. What we've removed from the software is the advanced features and settings that you'll find in the full-on IDC5 product.
Some of the key features of Quick Service include an affordable solution to truck maintenance with streamlined software layout and functionality. Quick Service is easy to use and navigate, and we've redesigned the way you do maintenance checks. Just a couple of clicks and you're done. You also have the accessibility to purchase IDC5 software and use with the same hardware. It's a TEXA alternative to less expensive tools with less capability than IDC5. The streamlined software layout and functionality is included in a package with an 8-inch tablet. It uses the standard TXT interface, and there is an upgrade option to full TEXA truck software. A software license can be purchased and coincide with the same HASP key. Annual renewal cost is more affordable than IDC5. These are a few of the key differences between Quick Service and IDC5. Quick Service, there's no wiring diagrams or I-support repair information. Only key activations are present, for example, injector switch off, and only maintenance and emission resets, forced regenerations, and speed limiter are in the settings. No subcategories, the customer must select TGS3 for diagnosis. TEXA, simplifying the present, anticipating the future. To learn more about Quick Service or place an order, visit our website, ceasusa.com, where you can shop for new products. Be sure to check out our media page for the latest product news and events. If you would like to speak to one of our customer experience agents, visit the support portal page or chat online. We're always here to help answer your questions. If you would like to speak directly with our technical support staff, call 855-839-2626 now. Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions, your total shop solution.